Welcome to the Drupal Daily Red Sofa. Today I'm talking to Jean-Pascal Bobst, Chief Executive of Bobst. Jean-Pascal, welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Today, or this year, I think you're celebrating your 125th anniversary. So it's a big year for the company. Do you think your founder, is it Joseph? Yeah, Bobst would recognize the business today?
Absolutely not, as in his decades in 1890 he was a printer, and today Bobst is a global company worldwide, and we are machine builders, service solutions provider to the printing or converting industry for packaging. So that's quite a tremendous celebration this year. We are honored to be here and to celebrate with our employees and customers around the world.
Okay. So do you think the company of the 1890s, the original company, and the company of today, do they have anything in common?
I guess what is really in common since the beginning of our company in 1890 are the values, the quality and the ethics, how we do business, the close relationship we have with customers and clients and suppliers. And this is certainly a common red, not so far, but red line for a company over the years and decades.
Okay. And you guys developed your first automatic die cutters and the first folded glue lines in the 1940s. Has the sort of basic technology evolved much, or is it still a very similar principle, just with more automation over the years?
I guess fundamentally we always do the same stuff, which is cutting a piece of paper. But when you look at overall technologies, as you know, we went through revolutions. And even today, with the latest Mastercut we launched in Drupal 2016, compared to the previous generation, only 6-7 years ago we launched, it's a totally new machine, new design, to improve by 20 to 25% the net output. So you can say that every other decade we have revolutions in these technologies.
And how do you think, because obviously you're in other sectors now, you've moved beyond just post-press, you're doing other technologies. How do you think the business needs to evolve to survive and thrive for another 125 years?
So first of all, for Bobst, as you know, we are quite unique in the sense we are in the folding carton industry, flexible material, as well as in corrugated. And we go really from pre-press solutions to the finished goods up to delivery on the truck for our customers. So the industry will certainly evolve drastically in the digitalization of packaging supply chain. It's all about how digitalization of the supply chain for packaging will take place over the next years.
Okay. And actually, I know on the digital side of things, you're working on a corrugated project with Kodak, but also you're looking at some carton lines, or some sort of real-fed carton lines, I think. Is there any kind of developments or any news on those? Because they're not here, are they, at the show? But when are you looking to sort of launch those products?
Well, you can see novelties here. When you come to our booth, you will see novelties. We launched the digital Flexo. This is part of our evolution and willingness and strategy to offer all type of technologies for printing, as we are one of the leading players in printing industry for Flexo and gravure presses technologies.
Sure.
Digital printing is evolving also very rapidly, and we have not only 2 presses on the field for corrugated installed, we have also in our lab a web machine for film and folding carton, and we continue the development to satisfy our customers in the folding carton business.
Okay.
So from food packaging to pharma packaging, whatever, or will be also solutions from Bobst in the digital activities.
Okay. And what do you see as the big opportunity for the business in the future then?
Truthfully said, it's overall capabilities from Bobst to deliver the right solutions for the application of our customers. It's not one technology better than the other one. It's always complementary. So it's like in the automotive industry, you have electrical cars, hybrid cars, diesel cars. You will have offset, digital, Flexo, you have gravure. So that will be huge opportunity in each technologies to continue to penetrate the market.
And getting back to sort of the family business idea, I mean, the industry and your companies are sort of rapidly evolving. Do you think it's a strength being a family business, or is it more of a weakness?
Oh, it's certainly a strength for a couple of reasons. First of all, because you have a very stable shareholder. Therefore, you look much more long-term. Long-term is 7 to 10 years time. So if you have difficult times, then the family understand and still commit. Second, you have very strong values, which you can grow and make your business based upon. Therefore, not only your employees, but customers and suppliers can enjoy of these values. And thirdly, being a family-owned business allows you to have very close relationship and identification with the customers, because customers know that we will be here tomorrow. Sure. And this is also a strong asset being in this business.
Okay. And shows like Drupa, how important are they to your business?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's one of the biggest shows ever, every 4 years. Of course, we have smaller shows worldwide, in China especially, but we really want to focus on Drupa every 4 years to just say, let's show the flagship of technology in printing, in converting, in services as well, and this is what we are all about here.
Okay. And you know, and come Friday when the show's finishing, how are you going to decide whether it's been a great Drupa for the business?
So I can tell you already today, it's a great Drupa for Bobst. Again, for two main reasons. First, because the relationship and what we can exchange with our clients is splendid, superb. We have very good feedback from customers. And second, because all products we have launched here in Drupa, 6 novelties, have much more bookings than expected already as of today.
Oh, fantastic. So everybody can go home early?
We will continue to make sure that next year bookings will be very well as well. And of course, we are looking forward to meet customers until the last hour.
Yeah, okay, great. Final question then. We've kind of spoken about this already, and the business has changed significantly over 125 years. But if Joseph Bobst were to come to the show and have a look around the Bobst stand, do you think he would approve of what you're doing now?
Well, I guess looking forward and looking to the next generation, of course, we as parents and grandparents, we will approve what people will do in developing the same legacy. When you have a legacy, what is important is to make it better from a human perspective, from an innovation perspective, and from a value creation perspective. And if you look at these 3 criteria, I think Bobst is doing a pretty good job.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your time and have a fantastic show.
You too. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.